that normal?
No. For him to what? Roll over?
Yeah, just soon.
It would be about the right time.
Yeah.
Come on, kiddo. You can do it, man.
They said they're fake.
Elliot. Bleep.
You're almost there. Just do it.
Just do it, buddy. He almost did it from his back to his stomach, which is harder.
Yeah.
You should do this easy, buddy.
He's trying. You picture him in the weight room. He's a screamer.
Come on, buddy.
I just want to help him along.
I know.
But it's painful to watch because I just want to. She said it doesn't matter. You just didn't feel well last night, so you felt bad having me. She felt bad, but you don't mind. Okay.
Come on, Stinky.
How's life at the DJ house? Don't you live at DJ?
Yeah.
How is it?
Sorry. Summer's better.
Kind of empty.
Yeah, it's really empty.
You are so close, little dude. Today is June 8th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
June 8th.
It's almost football season.
Come
Summer's
on.
almost over.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't care being past the winter, but where did it go? Like, I'm.
We had no May.
No,
We went
yeah.
from April, which lasted forever, to I think it was because the Cavs were on.
Yeah.
Come on.
The weather hasn't really broke hot yet. It's still kind of,
Days it
yeah.
has, but not like steady. Yeah. We're all staring at you. Just...
Focus, Elliot. Pull it together, little man.
Well, he's eating his hand.
I know. No, he can do it. He's so close.
Get that shoulder tucked.
He is. It is tucked. He's ready. He just needs to just push a little harder.
Go a little bit further and it'll go on its own.
Yeah. You're 90% there, Elliot.
He's 10% there.
No, watch, though. When he pushes, though, he's like, he just needs to push, like, 5% harder. Yep. Come on, Elliot.
I feel like we're torturing him. It's like a bad game.
This is not. It'll be mentally, you'll feel so proud of yourself, Elliot, once you do it. I hate that you can hear my voice on this video.
And you know he's going to do it after like 10 minutes of you talking to him, so you should talk to him.
I am talking to him.
Does he usually put his knees up and bend around so much? Or he's like
Yeah,
getting on his
but
knees
the first, no, he's never been this close. He's never done this. This is the first time he's gotten his arm under there, though, where he can get so close, so close. See? Just pushes a little bit harder, he's going to fall over. You got it, buddy.
Puts you in all the wrong places.
He's figuring it out. Oh! Oh, Elliot! Come on! Come on!
Oh. It's gonna happen.
I know it! Look at him!
His hand is turning purple.
I know, because he's losing oxygen. Come on, Stinker!
Oh my gosh.
This is going to be a really big deal, Elliot, so just do it.
It's like taking your first step.
You are so close, buddy. Yes, you are. Just push a little harder.
It is a struggle.
He's doing it, though. Look.
Listen to him.
He's going to do it today.
It's like being born.
Whoa! Whatever.
Come on, buddy.
Come on! I know, it's stressful. It's stressful. His arm is turning purple.
Is it?
Kind of.
Should probably get him on his back.
Come on.
His arm's really turning blue.
There we go. You ready? What are you doing? There we go.
Okay, you did good.
Good job, man. You were very close. Yeah.